Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door hinge assembly on your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the door hinge to the front panel. Lift the hinge up to detach the door assembly. This may require some effort. Detach the door wire connector retainer from the hinge to fully release the door assembly. Unthread all of the screws holding the inner door panel to the outer door frame. Separate the inner panel from the frame. Use a punch-in mallet to remove the hinge pin by striking the end of the pin facing the bottom of the panel. This may require some effort. With the pin removed, you can fully detach the old hinge assembly. Install the new door hinge assembly by aligning it on the inner door panel. Then insert the hinge pin through the top and use the mallet and punch to knock the pin into position. Realign the inner door panel with the outer door frame. Thread all of the screws. Reattach the door wire connector retainer to the hinge. Then insert the hinge tabs into the slots in the side of the front panel. Rethread the 4 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your front-load washer should be ready for use.